Hello, year two. Thursday now, our third day. Well, you know, your second day of home learning, but your third day at home. Got our phonics video for you to do today. Okay, I'm going to share with you at the end of this a clip of Geraldine the giraffe. We sometimes watch those in class. So I thought it might be nice for you to have a little watch of that linked to the link here that we've got. So, you've got your pen, your pencil, a piece of paper, anything you need just to write things down. Good listening ears, making sure we're really listening and using them sounds. Blending, hands ready to be breaking down words. And we are ready for our phonics lesson today. Okay. Are you ready? The digraphs we have learnt so far. A, oi, ow, ooh, or. That's the one we did yesterday, isn't it? Ooh, o, a, e, I, o, ooh, you, so Mrs. Cockram. So this is a digraph we're going to revisit today. So we're going to revisit the ow digraph, and I'm going to talk you through it the same again, just so we keep having the same conversations. So the phoneme is the sound it makes, so it makes sound ow, and the grapheme is what it looks like written down. So o and the o make the ow sound. If you've got the o and the w, that also makes an ow sound like cow, doesn't it? Yeah. So have a think about maybe writing this down at the top of your piece of paper, just so you've got it there to always keep referring back to. Because remember that the A, I, and A, I, and A, I can't think properly year two today. Sorry, I'm going a bit crazy, I think. So A are all the same phoneme, but they make the same sound, but they're all represented by a different grapheme because they all look different when they're written down, don't they? So that's the same as ow with o and o, and ow with o and w, isn't it? So we're going to have a look at some words with them in. I'm going to say them, you're going to write them down, then we're going to look at them together, okay? A bit like we did yesterday, okay? So if you remember to write this digraph on your board or your piece of paper, o, ow, ow. Okay. First word I want you to do is sh, ow, shout. Sh, ow, shout. The next word is out. Out, out. The next word I've got is about. About. A, b, ow, t. About. A, b, ow, t. About. Our last one that I've got, I want you to come up with your own as well after this, so you think of any others and write them down and share them with me, okay? My next one is ouch. Ouch. Like you might say if you've fallen over. Ouch. 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 Okay. Okay, we'll have a look, carry on looking at what we've got with those now, yeah. Okay, so have a look at the words you've written down now, and I'm going to share with you what they should look like, okay? You could also add the sound buttons on if you want, okay? Let's have a look. These phonics lessons that I'm doing here, we're also going to be showing them in the classroom as well. So anything that you're doing at home, the children in the classroom that we've got as our key workers will also be doing these same things as well. So we're all doing the same. So let's have a look. So we've got shout, sh, ow, t. 3 sounds in there, haven't we? Because we've got sh, ow, t, shout. Out, got 2 sounds in there. We've got ow, t. About, a, b, ow, t. 3 sounds in about, don't we? And ouch, ow, ch. Just 2 sounds in that one, isn't there? Ow, ch. Okay. So you can keep your pens in your hands now if you want to. I'm going to have a look now at this and let's see if we can share this. Oh, so this goes with your maths lessons as well, year 2, because she's found a pound. P-ow-n-d, pound. Amazing, let's keep watching them.
You found a coin from your savings. It is £1. And a £1 coin is a very special coin, Geraldine. You can buy lots with that. A pound's got the early use value that makes the owl sound. Well done, Geraldine. Whew. Geraldine, that was incredibly loud. You've been wrong about there. Geraldine, don't shout. Stop shouting.
Oh, we got that one, didn't we?
Geraldine, you scare away the young children watching this video. Geraldine, you're so incredibly naughty, I can't believe it. Now, calm down. Now, one last go at that ow sound. Ow! Good girl, it's okay for you to be a bit loud there. Right, Geraldine, see you next time. Give it a little tickle.
Oh, I liked that year 2. Did you? Yeah, me too. So we had on there as well. What other words did they say? They said loud. I'm going to write that down too. Loud. And what else? Shout, house. They said house. Loud, house, shout. Oh, pound. Yes, there was pound in there, wasn't there? What I'm going to do now is I would like you can pause this screen in a moment if you want, because there's some words here, isn't there, on your screen, and you can write them down. Make sure that you've got them on a piece of paper. Then I'm not going to show you a super sentence. What I'd like you to do today is I'd like you to write a super sentence and then you show me. You write it to me and put it in on Weed Up, please. I want you to come up with your very own. I want to see who's been doing good listening and what we need for a sentence. So we need a capital letter at the start of our sentence. We need finger spaces and we need a full stop. You could challenge yourself and try, right, with how many words we've got here? We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Maybe you could write 7 different sentences. That would be amazing, wouldn't it? Okay, so that was a little bit different. I just wanted to show you something different today with our phonics. And tomorrow's phonics, I'm going to be looking at the high frequency words. So you're going to need your high frequency word sheet for your phonics lesson tomorrow, because I'm going to show you some different activities that you could do with those worksheets, okay? And I'll also attach them to the phonics lesson that I do tomorrow as well, okay? So just some different activities that we can do with them, okay? Right. See you later. Stay safe, everybody, and I will share another video with you on Friday. Okay, so I'm in school tomorrow, as I said on my other video, so I'll be checking at like lunchtime and maybe after school, but I won't be able to check all the time during the day. But keep posting, because I'll be excited when I can see all your things that you're doing. Okay, see you later. Bye.